Model 2020 Ford Transit Connect 200 Limited Tdci, a Powershift automatic, great condition. Body black, panel van. Mileage 112,619. MOT the 23rd of March 2025. Engine 1499 cc 1.5 TDCi 120 PSS6H. Transmission automatic, front wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts great, runs great. Gearbox will need replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: 0 former keepers, 2 keys, reversing camera, sat-nav, cruise control, parking sensors, aircon. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.